Hello again, everyone. On Breakaway C box breaks for the 2013-2014 Panini Contenders box break number 11. Here's the last one for auction. There's Edmonton. There you go. Center box is any 206-571-258. That's any 206-571-258. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. All base first pack. Cup Contenders, Max Pack ready. 387 or 499 from Montreal. All base. We got a quad autograph card of Nick Petrecki, Sean Lalonde, John Merrill, and Nathan Beaulieu. Randomizing damage in the Sharks, the Blackhawks, the Devils, and the Canadiens. We got a Selke Contenders, Ryan Getzlaf for the Ducks. That is numbered 238 out of 499. We got rookie of Freddie Hamilton, 403 to 600 for the Sharks. A rookie ticket out of Boone Jenner for the Blue Jackets. And we got a patch on rookie ticket, number 64 out of 100, Bo Bennett for the Penguins. Nice hit for Pittsburgh. And we got a rookie ticket autograph, Alexander Barkov for the Panthers. Short print base, 99 of 100, Simeon Varlamov for the Avalanche. Panini Contenders, Jonas Hiller for the Ducks. It is numbered 187 out of 499. There we go. Let me get the random set up 1 second. There we go. San Jose, Chicago, New Jersey, and Montreal. Randomizer 3 times. Good luck. 1, 2, and 3. That card goes to Chicago. Congrats to Chicago. And thank you very much, everybody, for watching. Hope to see you again next time.